How to become successful in a data science career. Data science has proved its existence will last for a long time and possibly make work easier than automating repetitive tasks and analyzing large data sets within seconds in time. Individuals who find themselves in a data science career path need soft skills to be successful in their career. Subscribe to this channel for career empowerment. Success in technical track careers such as data science comes with great knowledge of these fundamental areas. 1. Written and verbal communication. An analyst, data scientist, and data engineer should be able to tell stories about data to customers. The ability to explain data transition stages to your clients shows the storytelling field of data analytics. Written and verbal communication is very important as an analyst or scientist. You must ask questions about data received to help you analyze and prepare the data for whoever that needs such data. 2. Statistics and probability. Statistics has played a major role in mathematics of analyzing data. We work with data that contain numbers, words, signs, and needs to be organized for readability. Such data could be summed up to get proper visualization to explain results. On the other hand, probability is used to predict uncertainty in data or a foundation for use of statistics in analyzing data. 3. Business domain knowledge. Domain knowledge of a business is very vital for a data scientist, data analyst, financial analyst, data engineer, and so on. Understanding how data move from a department to another within a business environment helps the analyst in analyzing possible units of contact while creating reports or building visualization dashboards for your company. Business knowledge of a domain is a skill mastered over time as you interact and analyze data sources within your organization. 4. Computer science and software engineering. A data scientist needs a technical background in computer science, statistics, and programming. Having these foundations prepare you for the big game ahead. Your ability to think, test, analyze, and build systems evolves the analytical mindset. To be able to program data, you need to understand the data and possibly have a good knowledge of data structures and algorithms. In summary, data science professionals or enthusiasts in general interact with managers, top executives, and utilize their communication skill to explain data reports to get feedback from users. Data scientists, analysts, and so on also generate business questions driven by business domain knowledge, statistics, and probability differences in data. Computer and software programming knowledge has helped in automation and improving data analytics softwares as an advantage of data science capabilities. Subscribe to this channel for career empowerment in data science.